In this tutorial, I will show you the easiest and most effortless options for beginners to generate money online, which are accessible all around the world. What exactly are they? We'll find out soon later. This is the most effortless method to earn money online. Do you want to start generating money online as a complete newbie but haven't yet come up with a viable strategy? If that's the case, you've arrived and clicked the correct video. Because after you watch this video, I'll show you many applications that you can utilize to start generating great money right away. The best part is that you don't have to conduct any of the work yourself. As a response, I'll show you both active and passive revenue streams. To put it another way, I'll show you 2 applications that will pay you for doing nothing and 1 app that will pay you a lot of money simply for viewing clips. You'll be able to optimize your profits by combining passive and active revenue streams in this way. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Now let's move on to the first app. Remember, I'll be providing a secret additional website that will help you to earn twice or even quadruple the amount of money as other folks. So make sure to watch this tutorial until the very end and never try to miss a second of it. Screenlift.io is the first app on our list. So how does this software operate and how did you get paid for it? When you visit their homepage, you can see straight away that you can customize your first screen. Customize your first screen with our many unique features. This is the first app I've encountered that rewards you in this way. As a result, it's one of a kind. After that, you'll simply use your phone as you typically would. You will also be rewarded. The amount you get is determined by how much time you spend on your phone, and I'm sure many of you do it frequently. You'll also get lifts every time you unlock your phone, which you can pay out for actual cash. So basically, you'll earn these lifts and then trade them in for actual money. That's all there is to it. If you don't want to or don't have the time to spend on it, this terrific software will still get you paid. You can simply ignore it and go about your business as usual. And it's fantastic that you can get paid for doing something you already do on a regular basis by utilizing this app. There are several testimonies down below that you may read if you like. You may also look at the reviews on Google Play to see what other people have to say about this app. As you can see, it has a 3.7 star rating on this website, which is quite impressive. It's not spectacular, but it's also not horrible. Now, one disadvantage of this software is that it does not appear to be accessible for iOS devices at this time. However, this may change in the future. For the time being, you may only use the Android version. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. In terms of payment, you may see how you're paid down below. First and foremost, you have PayPal, which I believe will be the payment method of choice for the vast majority of us. Amazingly, you may also donate the money you earn and support others, which I believe is a great deed. Essentially, the amount you get paid is determined by how frequently you unlock your phone, as each time you do so, you will be exposed to adverts. If you use your phone frequently, this is ideal since it means you'll be unlocking it more frequently, which means you'll get paid more frequently. As you can see from the examples below, your screen is going to look great, so you won't be bombarded with a million advertisements and your phone screen will be shambles. Actually, it appears to be rather organized. More testimonials and reviews about this application may be seen below. The fact that they've been featured on Forbes, Business Insider, Inman.com, and other major publications demonstrates that this is a legitimate app that will pay you in real money. That's all there is to it. So don't hold your breath for unrealistic outcomes because you're not doing anything and being paid for nothing. As a result, the money you earn will not change your life. So I've got a bonus app for you that will pay you extra money, but you'll have to put in some effort. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. s1.wintop.com is the name of the bonus app. It's no surprise that the app's name is quite similar to YouTube. You will get paid to view videos right here. Now, the diversity of the aforementioned films is something I particularly enjoy. You will not be swamped with the same advertisements over and over again. However, they will offer you a variety of media including movies and TV series that are both intriguing and entertaining to view. Making money with this app will not be as difficult as it is with comparable apps. Furthermore, the nicest part about watching videos is that you are not required to watch them. You may just come on here, watch one video, and then go to do something else. Then return to watch another video and leave to do something else again. As some of you may already know, one of my favorite methods to make money online is through watching movies. Commercial advertising, movies, and TV shows online, as I was saying a minute ago, can be seen down here. It's the ideal approach to make money at WinTub. What makes this app stand out is that you don't have to view only advertising. It also makes getting paid a lot more enjoyable. Unfortunately, as you can see to the right, simply watching movies does not earn you a handful of money. If you don't have much time to devote to watching all of these movies, referring your friends might be a great method to earn money. Once again, you'll be paid mostly through PayPal. However, there are alternative possibilities. You may learn more about their partners by visiting this page. The Get Started button is directly below it, which you should click in order to join up for this app. I'm going to do that right now so I can show you how this looks and how much you'll be paid. So if you log into your fresh new account, this is how the app will look. As you can see, you earn $5 simply for joining up, which is fantastic. You can see the video you must view and the amount of money you will be paid just below. This isn't a large sum of money, but it adds up rapidly after watching a few of these films. And once again, you are under no obligation to view them. Simply leaving them running while you go about your business, switch off the audio, and then return to play the next clip, and so on. Furthermore, integrating this software with the two applications I previously showed you would increase your income, which is why I strongly advise you to use all to be paid. Remember, this is a completely free service with no prerequisites. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell, so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!